Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your Realme phone. First, back up all your important data, like photos and contacts, to a cloud service or computer. Then, perform a full factory reset to ensure all your personal information is completely erased. Finally, clean the phone meticulously and gather all original accessories, including the charger and box, to present a complete package. Setting the right price is crucial for a quick sale. Research current market values for your specific Realme model in similar condition. Take into account any wear and tear, like minor scratches or dents, and factor in all original accessories you are including. Remember, being flexible and open to reasonable negotiation can significantly increase your chances of selling your phone quickly and efficiently. Now it's time to create an appealing listing. Select popular online marketplaces or local selling applications to reach potential buyers. Write a comprehensive description detailing your Realme phone's specifications and condition accurately. Always include several high-quality, well-lit photos from various angles. Highlighting any unique features or extra accessories, like a protective case, can make your listing stand out. Finally, ensure a safe and smooth transaction. Always arrange to meet the buyer in a public, well-lit place, ideally during daylight hours. Accept secure payment methods like cash or an instant bank transfer. Avoid personal checks. Allow the buyer ample time to inspect the phone and confirm its functionality. Only hand over your Realme phone once you have verified that the payment has been successfully received.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.